Here are the top 5 questions we are asked about our projects. Do you work outside of Florida? Our work is typically found within the continental United States and Canada, but we have occasionally created themed environments in other parts of the world too. We have a job locator on our website and encourage you to visit a project near you if possible. If you are near the Tampa, Florida area, then local pickup may be an option. And you are always welcome to visit our studio to see the process firsthand and meet our amazing team. Do you install everything? We have many options available for installation, from full turnkey solutions to do-it-yourself options. Most products are made to be easily installed by a few handy people with a drill. We often create instructional videos to show how everything goes together. Some larger jobs require our own team to be on site for assembly, but many jobs can easily be installed by local hires. What kind of materials do you use? We work with a large selection of materials to create our environments. From wall covering to 3D sculpted foam, we can do it all. We utilize vinyl wall covering, canvases, paper, Sintra for signs and cutouts, floor graphics, and semi-transparent window graphics. Plus, our scenic department uses wood, fiberglass, aluminum, steel, flooring, and much more to create our wonderful themed spaces. All of our creations are fire-rated, durable, and safe. How long does it take? Turnaround time varies greatly based on the size and scope of your project. Items from our DIY shopping cart are usually available to ship within just 2 to 4 weeks. Express murals are sent within 4 to 6 weeks. Semi-custom jobs consisting of mostly printed artwork selected from the Wacky World Studios art library average between 6 to 8 weeks, while fully themed environments consisting of custom wall murals, 2D builds, and sculpted 3D elements may take longer. Holidays may affect shipping and installation timeframes, so please plan accordingly. How much does it cost? We pride ourselves on being able to offer something to everyone, whether your budget is small or large. Cost is determined by design. Our goal is to make sure we design a space that will fit within your budget, and most designs can be created in a way to fit a variety of budgetary needs. As budgets decrease, a 3D object can become a 3D relief object, or can become 2D flat printed, or even just be a part of the wall graphic. We can also provide facades or wraps for your existing counters or desks to save on the cost of creating new ones. At Wacky World, we have already created an extensive library of digital artwork which can be used as is or customized to fit any space. Working this way allows us to provide high-quality printed art at a low rate. To learn more about Wacky World Studios and what we can do for you, please visit our website or click the links below.